Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can generate the logos for your company for free without any extra cost. Yes, you can generate directly using AI. Now in order to do it, just simply open any of the browser you have. You don't even need any third-party application or software. Just simply open any browser and you have to search for freelogodesign.org. Once you do that, just simply hit enter. You don't even require to sign in over there. Now here it will ask you for your company. For example, if I write here Facebook and I hit get started, now the page will automatically generate me the best of the best logos for me that are fresh and free to use. I can select any of them and hit customize and start customizing them according to my need. I can write my slogan here and customize them as per my need. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.